These groundbreaking tech innovations are sure to leave an impression, ranging from a smart projector capable of projecting full HD images up to 180 inches diagonally, providing screen size flexibility, to a portable 27-inch TV perfect for outdoor adventures like camping. Aano Retro Mini PC AM01. Owning iconic gadgets like the Macintosh is like holding a piece of technological history, but let's face it, they could use a boost in functionality for today's needs. Enter the Aano Mini PC, a thrilling modern take on the Macintosh legacy. With upgraded internals and a price that won't break the bank, this sleek machine is a powerhouse of connectivity options. Need a computer, a retro gaming haven, a server, or a media center? The Aano Mini PC has got you covered. Don't be fooled by its vintage vibes. It's a gaming beast capable of running today's hottest titles with just a few tweaks. And starting at just $150, its specs, including an AMD Ryzen 3 3200U processor, 8GB of RAM, and a speedy 256GB solid-state drive, make it an absolute steal. Sure, crowdfunding always carries risks, but with Aano's stellar track record and unwavering support, this product is destined for greatness. Since hitting the market in December 2023, it's been receiving rave reviews from both backers and tech experts alike. In short, the Aano Mini PC doesn't just bring functionality, it adds a thrillingly nostalgic touch to your desktop setup that you'll adore. Get ready for a journey through groundbreaking tech and awe-inspiring inventions that will change how you see the world. LG StanbyME Go Touchscreen. Introducing the LG StanbyME Go, a truly one-of-a-kind 27-inch portable TV encased in a robust metallic suitcase. With its touchscreen LCD and stunning 1080p resolution, it's not just a TV. It's a versatile tablet that can be used in both horizontal and vertical modes. Perfect for on-the-go adventures, it boasts around 3 hours of battery life and a brightness level optimized for outdoor viewing. Powered by LG Web OS, it effortlessly streams content from iOS or Android devices, making entertainment on the move a breeze. Plus, with HDMI and USB ports, you can easily connect cables or access over 300 free channels via LG channels. While it may not be built for extreme outdoor conditions, it's certainly up for the challenge of accompanying you on camping trips or beach getaways. Priced at $1,200, it's a delightful choice for anyone craving portable entertainment with a touch of luxury. CIARRA Range Hood. Meet the compact kitchen hood, your trusty sidekick in the battle against culinary chaos. Don't let its small size fool you. This powerhouse is a master at banishing cooking odors and grease buildup. Users rave about its simple design, making cleaning a breeze, and are amazed by its surprising effectiveness. However, some note that it can get a bit noisy at higher fan speeds and might not be ideal for use near gas stoves. With replaceable filters designed to tackle odors and trap grease, it caters to both wired and wireless preferences. While opinions on its performance may vary, it's still a top pick, especially for those dealing with limited space and budget constraints. BoxBlayde Box Cutter. The pandemic highlighted the ease of online shopping while also bringing to light the problem of excess cardboard box clutter. Enter BoxBlayde, an electric knife specifically crafted for cutting through cardboard boxes, aiming to address this issue directly. Its safety-centric open blade design, paired with a powerful motor and rechargeable batteries, guarantees quick and effortless cutting. Featuring replaceable blades and an ergonomic grip, users can anticipate a comfortable and effective cutting experience. Pre-orders are now available on their official website, with shipments set to begin in February. Get ready to be blown away by not one, but two mind-blowing tech innovations that will leave you speechless. These incredible devices are now readily available, ready to take your tech journey to new heights and revolutionize your daily routine like never before. Get ready to experience innovation at its finest. ViewSonic M10 RGB Laser Smart Projector. ViewSonic's M10 projector combines compactness with impressive performance, boasting RGB laser technology for vivid, luminous images. With support for full HD projection of up to 180 inches diagonally, it ensures a captivating viewing experience. Equipped with keystone correction, it guarantees proper screen proportions for optimal display. Audio is delivered by a powerful 7-watt Harman Kardon Cube speaker, with the added convenience of Bluetooth connectivity. While it may lack a built-in operating system, it compensates with support for various resolutions and a plethora of connection options. Users can easily control it via smartphone using the VCast Sender app. Overall, the M10 offers an immersive viewing experience coupled with convenience and versatility. Kingsong KS S16 Unicycle. The Kingsong KS S16 electric unicycle effortlessly blends style with substance, boasting a sleek design and impressive performance. With a top speed reaching 28 megawatts and an impressive range of 50 miles, it promises exhilarating rides. Safety remains paramount with its robust $1,200 motor, capable of conquering inclines of up to 30 degrees. Thanks to its reliable tires and footrests, it delivers exceptional grip on any terrain. Adding to the excitement is the built-in lighting system featuring customizable RGB LEDs, transforming your journey into a captivating light display. Plus, with built-in speakers, you can synchronize the lights with your favorite tunes for an immersive experience. Carrying the 37lb unicycle is made easier with a matte plastic handle, although some users have expressed privacy concerns regarding the accompanying app's requirements. Nevertheless, the KS S16 guarantees a stylish and thrilling ride experience that's sure to impress.